Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Well, I'm going to do a quick how-to. Hopefully it'll be quick. It should be quick. First off, I will be uploading this from McDonald's. So bear with me on this. Well, I finally got news from my doctor. I will have to go in for surgery. I have mild carpal tunnel in my left hand or wrist and severe carpal tunnel in my right. Neuropathy could still be playing a role in some of my hand pain, but you know, she wants me to get the surgery done as soon as possible. So I have to figure out how I'm going to do this. I'll have to have 2 surgeries. One for my right hand and the other one for my left. My left will be the second surgery. I've already determined that, for the simple fact that my right is the one that is my power arm, and I have to be able to still do stuff. So I'll take that one out first. Shoot. I'll have to take that off later. I just don't have the strength in my... But, as you can see, this is fairly simple. If I can line it up. Sorry, you guys are not going to be able to see this, except for... Hell, I doubt if I'm going to even see it. Oh, too big? Oh, that's somewhat in there. Well, there's fluid going all over the back of my truck. I think they need to be a little bit smaller. Should go right. See if I can do it this way. No, I might not be able to do this video after all. These things should go down in there. It seems like only one side is coming out. Okay, that side is out a little bit more. There. Hey, look at that. Okay, and then just take out. That just became clean once you take the tank off. Oh, actually there. Now it's clean. So all that's in these master cylinders is this and this one. That's it. So one tutorial done. I hope you guys enjoyed that. But yeah, like I said, I will have 2 surgeries. One on my right hand first. Well, that's if my insurance covers it. If my insurance covers it, then I'll do it. If it doesn't, and then I am SOL, because this is only going to get worse. And then I will need 2 weeks after that to recover. So, and then maybe some physical therapy to get my hand back to strength and where it needs to be. That's even if I'm the same after the surgery, which could be a possibility that something could go wrong and I wind up worse than I already am. Who knows? But yeah. So, but I figured you guys needed to know. And we'll see what happens here in the near future. Who knows? Maybe after all of this is said and done, I'll be homeless and lost everything. Pete? That was the property manager. So, y'all have a good day. Good night, wherever you are in the world. And as I always say, scrap it right, and make that money. Peace. No YouTube poke. Later, Gators.